In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First, open Settings. Then tap on Bluetooth. And when you're ready, activate it thanks to this switcher right next to Bluetooth. After it turns green, you need to wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then wait for the pop-up. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and then select pair on the right. Now you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of a smartphone or a tablet, accept it manually on a second device. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine were successfully connected. Now, if you want to manage this connection, use gear icon next to any paired device and decide what you wish to do by operating all of those options, like unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!